In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist templates. Whether you're new to Todoist or looking to streamline your project management process, templates can save you a ton of time and help ensure you don't miss any critical steps in your workflows. So grab a cup of your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's dive into the world of Todoist templates together. To start, you'll need to access your Todoist account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Todoist website and click on the login button. Here you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to input the email associated with your Todoist account. Once that's done, it's time to enter your password, hit the login button, and you'll find yourself on the Todoist Today page, your central hub for all of today's tasks and activities. Now that you're logged in, the first thing you might notice is the Home button. Click on this to get a comprehensive view of your tasks and projects. In Todoist, your projects are the backbone of your task management, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. To explore the power of templates, let's navigate to one of your projects. Look for a project that you'd like to apply a template to, and click on the three dots located to the right of the project name. This will open up a menu with several options, but what we're interested in today is the Browse Templates option. Clicking on this will take you to a new page filled with possibilities. In the world of Todoist, templates come in all shapes and sizes. Whether you're planning a trip, organizing a big project at work, or setting up a reading list, there's likely a template out there for you. On the Browse Templates page, you'll notice a section for popular templates. This is a great place to start if you're not sure what you're looking for, or if you just want to explore what's available. Click on Popular Templates and prepare to be amazed by the variety of pre-designed workflows at your fingertips. As you browse through these templates, think about how they might fit into your life. Are you launching a new project at work? There's probably a template for that. Planning a wedding? There's definitely a template for that. The beauty of Todoist templates is that they give you a tried and true structure for managing your tasks, which can be especially helpful if you're tackling something you've never done before. When you find a template that catches your eye, it's as simple as clicking on it to get a closer look. Here, you'll be able to see all the tasks included in the template and get a sense of how it's organized. If it looks like a good fit for your needs, you can add it to your Todoist with just a few clicks. From there, you'll have the option to customize it to fit your specific project details. Remember, templates are a starting point. Feel free to tweak them as much as you need to make them work for you. As you begin to use templates in your Todoist, keep a few things in mind. First, not every template will be a perfect fit right out of the box. It's okay to pick and choose tasks from different templates or to add in your own unique tasks. The goal here is to save time and energy, not to stick rigidly to a template that doesn't quite suit your needs. Second, don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of Todoist templates is that they're incredibly flexible. The more you use them, the better you'll get at customizing them to fit your workflows. And finally, remember that Todoist templates aren't just a tool for work. You can use them for personal projects, hobbies, and just about anything else you can think of. The goal is to make your life easier and more organized, so feel free to get creative. I hope this walkthrough has helped you understand how to find, use, and customize Todoist templates for your projects. Whether you're managing a team, planning an event, or just trying to keep your personal life in order, templates can be a game changer. So go ahead, dive in, and start exploring what Todoist templates can do for you. Happy organizing!